Alright, so you see the Homelite trimmer, curve shaft. Actually, I got this thing running, so yeah, I actually just got it running not too long ago. This is today. What's on choke? Just left the carburetor that was on here. The carburetor was fine. Just I put gas in it, and I adjusted the low and high speed screws, and actually it sounds like a good runner to me. So yeah, there's a Bosch spark plug in there, so I'm just gonna leave it alone until it's fouled up and I'll replace it with a new one. But anyway, at least I got this one running. Let me see if I can restart it. Let me see if I can restart it back up again. Hope if it restarts. It was just running not too long ago, so I'll show you what it does. What it does, but I mean, I'm gonna probably have to maybe back out the low speed screw, maybe, or do something. But other than that, it runs. After I put the guard on, so at least it's not bad of a runner. So yeah, echo feed, stuff. So yeah, might be able to use this one on maybe we'll do some little trimming with it, and another day, once this thing is fully functional, once this thing runs a little better, then maybe I'll do a little trimming portion with it. It's nothing special really at all, it's just a little curve shaft trimmer, but definitely $10. But hey, it runs. That's pretty cool. So I want to show you a short video of how it runs. So there it is. Alright, so the next one will be the straight shaft Homelite, the UT20024a that's inside. I'm gonna work on that another day when I get the toilet trimmer fixed. Nothing wrong with my toilet trimmer, it just has a it's just an emissions hose. Let's make sure with you. So this UT20024a. PV755. Here it is. So it's just the heat dam and the piece. So yeah, that's this piece. It's always been like that for about 4 years when I've owned it. Is this hose. It's been like that ever since. So this is just an emissions hose. So I just bought some little spare pieces, like 3/8 diameter, inner diameter hose. And I'm gonna make a little piece that goes. I'm gonna make a little connector that goes here, and attach this hose and put it on there and make it work. So, and here's the motor that's in there. So there you have it.